Identify some areas for improvement or some responses in your, or gaps in your response plan or your emergency action plan, so we can fix those, so the lessons learned. And then the most important part is the follow-up to make sure that the lessons you learned from that incident were actually implemented. Because oftentimes what we see is lessons learned and never change. So it's important that we do that. You know, a couple of things that came up, I made some notes when we were talking. Again, I think, this whole conference here is really to get your juices flowing or get you thinking about the things that you could be doing internally. Again, the discussion and the renewal or the refreshing of the relationships between the school districts and the law enforcement component is really important. But what we really want you to do is pull those plans out, look at them, update them as necessary. Again, test them if you can, but update the MOUs, make sure those plans are in place, and then give you some ideas for future training. Training you can do for your teachers. What does law enforcement look like when we respond to these incidents? We could be coming from all over. As we know, since Columbine, your initial first responder law enforcement is going to be the officers in that particular area, district, or division. They could be patrol officers dressed like me today. They could be detectives in plain clothes. They could be undercover officers throwing on a raid jersey. What will they be armed with? Handguns, rifles, shotguns, shields, who knows? Okay, you got to be prepared for that. What do gunshots sound like? Are you mentally, physically, and emotionally prepared for what you could see? The bloodshed, the carnage, the death, the injured children. What are we as law enforcement professionals going to do? We're used to going and helping bleeding kids in an active shooter situation. Unfortunately, we're not going to do that. We're going to run by them, even though they're clinging to our legs, until we can be certain that the threat's been mitigated. Okay. After that, we're going to go into our rescue mode. And then also, probably for you guys, I think the biggest headache is